We are a charity and housing association based in South East London. We offer services for people living with challenges that prevent them from living a fulfilling life. So we offer supported housing to over 200 people in South East London. We are a small organisation based primarily in Lewisham and Croydon. Basically, as a provider of supported housing to people who live with various vulnerabilities, I think we have a duty of care to ensure that we have as best as possible a level playing field for people who have been socially isolated. So I think we energise each other when we work together in partnership as opposed to working in silo. I believe that practice shared is practice experienced and developed so that we can maximise the benefits for the people who come to us for that support. I believe that in the past, businesses used to work in silo, so we used to see each other as competitors. So we weren't really that engaged in the end game or the end purpose. But I believe as things have evolved post-pandemic, we're seeing that there's so many more restrictions and kind of challenges with getting funding for services. And more than ever, organisations need to work together. We need to maximise our resources. We need to pool knowledge and skills base so that together we can really work in a better and more concerted way to engage the people we support so that we can give them the best chances possible for their recovery. The group that came to visit us were really impressed because we as an organisation have started working in partnership with like-minded organisations. So what we're pooling together now is training resources. We're looking at maximising the effects of good talent research and retention. We're looking at how we provide a better work-life blend for the people who serve our purpose. And so we're collaborating with the end users so that we know that when we're designing a program for them, that we have as much collaboration as possible and that the services are customer-led. And we place the customer at the heart of everything we do. And our colleagues from Suara have said that they do the same. So when we look at the fact that we are different countries, our approaches are similar, and it's really good to share that practice. It's really good to learn from each other because Suara is now doing impact measurement of social value, and I've been really thinking about it. So I have a very keen interest that when we meet with the group, I'll be looking at how they have implemented this tool to support them to maximise their reporting on the value, the social value that they receive, that they experience in the services they give, so that I can perhaps use that to support my groups here to maximise our chances of being funded. I found colleagues from Barcelona really warm. I found there's a common thread. It's like a golden thread. There's compassion, there's kindness, there's respect, and there's that real passion about serving the purpose for which we have been tasked with, and that is to be values driven and purpose led as organisations, and understanding that we are kind of de facto society because statutory services are really struggling to offer that holistic support to clients or people who come to them. And it's really impressive that Suara is working with children from 0 to right up to adults, so there's no age limit. And I'm really fascinated by that because I think there's so much we can learn from them to incorporate into our service design and delivery.